Hey guys, this is Rich from Rich TV Live. So we have a new website. It's www.richtvlive.com. We've just launched it and it's totally done, totally redone. This is my boy Jared. Yo, say what's up, Jared.
What's up, everybody?
So we've been working really, really hard, and I have to thank the web designers and the team, and I'm really, really happy of the results, the end results. I think that we have taken the next step, and I would love for you guys to let me know what you think. If you can go to www.richtvlive.com, take a look at the site, the new layout, the new way of checking stocks, information, and if there's anything you like or dislike, I'd love to know. Tomorrow, I'm going to be going to our office downtown, and we will be doing a run through on how to use the website properly and all the different features. So in the meantime, I would love to hear from you guys and see if there's anything you like or dislike about what we're doing, so that we can really fine tune it and make it as good as humanly possible. I really appreciate you guys. I appreciate all your support. This is like a dream come true for me. He was there when I started this like 2 years ago, and I remember building the site by myself, and I remember dreaming about the day that we'd actually have like a team of people building our site, and that day has now come. And what do you think, man? 2 years later, you think we're moving in the right direction?
It's been a pretty crazy journey.
So, love to know what you guys think, and tomorrow I'll show you guys what it looks like and all the different features. So once again, www.richtvlive.com. This is Rich from Rich TV Live. If you're not winning, you're probably not watching. Your boy Rich and Jared, and we're out. Peace.
Peace.